$2,799. I've got the base model Redmi K again. Old joker, did you want to go online? Hey, how's the performance of this tablet? Hey, today I'll set you up, Abe.
Let's first look at the appearance and specifications. In terms of the screen, it has an 8.8-inch LCD display with a resolution of 3008 by 1880 and a maximum refresh rate of 165 Hz. This size, well, it's not too big or too small, just right for holding. The middle, frame and back cover have an integrated design. On the small screen, it easily stands upright. There's a Type-C port at the bottom and one on the side. It supports facial recognition and password unlocking. Equipped with the Dimensity 9004 Plus processor, mine is the 8 Plus 256 model. It has a battery of 7,500 mAh and charges at 67 watts. A simple benchmark gave it 2,710,000 points, surpassing 91% of users. In terms of gaming, HDR also supports 90 frames smoothly at 120. We smoothly play at 120.
Remember to turn on this turbo mode before playing? Then let's set this responsiveness to high.
Room temperature is 24.9 degrees. Still need the air conditioning for ear protection. I'm hot without it.
The battery is at 84%. Let's start directly. Okay, guys, let's jump straight into the game. Let's light up little Zhenli, and this crab is fine too. Let's try a small gun battle first to test the waters. Move around a bit at the spawn point. It's still okay. It's okay, yeah. The small fluctuations in the starting area reach around 100 frames. There's no need to say more about this. It's all normal, as always mentioned. Now, there are several tablets of this size, guys. Those who like small tablets can choose this one. The key is, this size is indeed comfortable to use. Neither too big nor too small. Let's take a look at 19.
20 people.
It is increasing to 21.
Don't rush. Okay. Brothers, let's play for 49 minutes. The current temperature is 24.5. Let's check the tablet. It's 42.9 degrees. The screen brightness is at 66%, and it has used 18% of the battery. Come on, brothers. Let's look at the strategy map. Average frame rate 116.4. Some friends said that I exited from close range. I was thinking of continuously recording exiting from close range without turning off anything. Just don't pay attention to these things. Every time there is a small frame drop at the spawn point, that is all captured. The most I have played with is just over 20 people, never more than 30 people.
So, what about the match we're playing? Yeah, we're talking about a game with around 20 to 30 people. If you say you jump in with 40 to 50 people, I wouldn't know about that, because my rank hasn't reached there. When I play, it runs smoothly enough. For those who like small tablets, there are several options on the market. It's a matter of personal choice.